Okay, so let me introduce myself first. I'm Irfan from Bangladesh, and he's Rakib. We work as team. We have a digital marketing agency here in Bangladesh. We provide digital marketing services to all over the world. So please tell us something about yourself.
Oh, okay. I'm Chirizi Dlamini. So I'm a e-commerce entrepreneur. I just started actually. Yeah.
Okay. Now I visited your page. I know about that. So let me share my screen and let you know more about us. Okay.
All right. I just want to as well just see if I can connect with the PC.
Can you see my screen?
Okay, yeah, that's my Facebook page.
Yes. Can you see my screen?
Yes.
Okay. Perfect. You can see my net connection is not stable. Okay, it's unstable. Okay, so you have very low followers and likes, and I guess, and I know these products you are selling. These are print on demand products, right?
Yes.
First of all, let me know more details about like how are you running the ads? Maybe your ads are not performing good.
Yeah.
Okay. So basically, we are here to help you with your all of your like page improvements. Okay, we are here to help you with your page improvements. Like
Okay.
we will increase your followers, your likes, your engagement, even, and we will run your professional campaigns. Okay, so that your products can sell more and can reach more people. What's your targeted country? It's USA or South Africa or Canada or European countries?
I think like the global, like global, everyone.
Mostly people target the US market, because if you are targeting the African country, or if you're targeting the Asian countries like us, so your product, your budget will be spent, and it will just your return will be zero, because people of our country can't buy these things, and even we don't have access in these things like print on demand. We can buy any international products. Okay, let's suppose if I talk about your targeted countries, the USA, then it will be easier to run your ads. Okay, so we will help you all on the your aspects, and we know the strategies, how to reach people, how to optimize campaigns, how to budget scheduling, and how to do bid capping, and a lot of things. Okay, so there are a lot of techniques and tricks, you can say, for running ads. And also, if you are growing your page, you must have to reach more people, because if the people don't know about yourself, your page, your business, they won't buy from you, right? Because if you are going to buy something from a new page, you must think about first of all, you think that if they have good number of follower or not, if people are following them or not. Okay, so this is the very important thing to consider.
That is it possible, like what social media platforms do you manage? How many? Is like only Facebook and Instagram, or do you also manage
TikTok.
TikTok?
Yes, we manage like Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and we also work with Google Ads. We work with all other platforms, like we work also on YouTube. We have YouTube monetization and YouTube SEO pro services, and we have a lot of like we have graphic designing services. We as we're an agency, we have different kinds of services. Okay, or we work as individual as well. Okay, so if you need any service, like if you want to design your website, we have a website designer. We have all kinds of services available, Shri.
Okay.
Yeah, I know you would like to ask that question. You'll work on your page for full of 1 month, and one for 1 month our service charge is $200. You can pay it two times, 50% before work and 50% after work. That's But if you need help, like as you yeah, as you are totally new and you are starting, if you need help regarding the other platforms, my partner will help you. Okay, will guide you.
All right.
Bye, Shili.
Good night.
See you again.
Bye.
Yeah, good night.
Bye.